but they don't turn the ball over
Right, they're
very
disciplined.
much. They are very disciplined, and the first bucket of the night goes against the main zone defense tonight.
Yes, very disruptive zone defense, too.
And dropping one there is key. Gives it off to Clayton. And now a three-point shot by Tynes, and he buries it. Marshall on the baseline turns it over. And here comes Clayton in transition. Layup is good. And that's going to cause the Rock to carry, and now Gribben has it. And inside, wide open, missed assignment there. Easy layup. Mantis for three,
man.
off the turnover. Mantis in the corner. Good by DeMar Langford Jr. and up ahead to Mantis for three. And boy, you're right. He has it in the closing seconds. And the drive and the layup is good by Clayton. And that will do it. They give up a Albany. It's always been when they lose some of these games, they just don't defend at the highest level. And they're going to have to close out.
Ooh. Yeah, Burns could block Marshall. Showcasing the length and athleticism.
And attacking the glass right away is Lopez back in this one. As Albany has the momentum in their biggest lead of the game, and they go inside, and it's an and one. Mantis, three-point shot, and that is his third of the game. And
Whoa.
Lopez, right to the rim and fouled by Marshall. And that's going to be an and one on the drive by 8. I don't think Byron Joshua is at 100% tonight. But he's playing, and dunk, what a drive. Oh, can Albany defend and get some stops here? That'll be the key, and that's not how you do it.
That won't do it.
That's Gribben